This guy began to suspect that his cat wasn't very bright, because when he shut the kitchen door, one of his cats somehow ended up trapped inside. The poor feline panicked and started trying to escape through the door. But the hilarious part was that the entire path to the other side stood wide open. The man kept gesturing toward the opening, yet the silly cat only stared sadly. Then the man decided that maybe he should check his cat's IQ. Normally, if a clever cat runs toward a wall, it stops itself using its claws. But when it was this cat's turn, it marched straight forward. After that, the owner felt sure that his pet was clueless.